It's been a while. It's been 2 months, my bad. I've been on break. This video is going to be pretty interesting. We're painting the engine, so enjoy. Yeah. And in this next few weeks, there'll be a lot more videos coming out because I'm on break from work at the moment, so we've got plenty of time to work on the BMW.
Check.
Finally.
Yeah. Don't ask me why again, we tried again and didn't feel the same. The plans was open up the diagram. Winter overseas, I got some bags that need acquiring. We used to get cash, the checks bigger so they wire them. Plug talk, fuck the middleman, bring the supplier in. From Italy to Ireland as part of the requirements. Could've joined a union, Kid Andrew turned to fireman. But I'm still doing fire shit, adapt to my environment. And now I'm up so high and I ain't coming down for no man. Oh keep it rolling, stuck in the motion. Tell them stick to the program, get kicked like Vince. Your old boss has got no chance. I got both hands wrapped around the game in a choke slam. It turned me from a kid into a grown man. I got my stripes earned, battle tested, mics burned. It takes time being big body, making wide turns. So I'ma get there when the tides turn. Stare at the sky until my eyes burn. Lil Jesse was a little baby, now it's my turn. Excuse the lack of kind words. Try to treat me like an outsider, I'm the outlier. Peel the wig off these pussies if they doubt fire. I'ma get rich off this even if my mouth wired. Till the wheels burn no matter how tired. When you alive, they act very phony, then crying at your ceremony. Stretch wings, been an OG like.
Right, so it's obviously got a bit of rust still on it, but I've spent a few hours cleaning, scrubbing, wire wheeling, and scotch brighting some most of the rust back. That looks pretty clean. So at least what we're doing is we're painting from here to here. We're painting just this part, just getting rid of the rust, and then eventually we'll come back, clean that up, and they'll be nice and silver, black. Yeah, I don't know if I'll bother cleaning that because I'll probably replace that with a proper intake, but yeah, looks pretty good. And on this side it's definitely a lot nicer because it's the easier spot to get to. I'm of course not removing the intake and all that just because I can't be bothered, so I'm gonna have to tape around that, clean it, and kind of just prepare to not paint on everything. But I mean, there's obviously going to be overspray, and I'm not removing that to paint. That's an old one, so I can just paint that black, and then when I replace a new one, it'll be nice and clean. All right, now it's time to start masking all the plugs, bolts. Oh, I'll probably actually leave the bolts, doesn't matter if they get paint on them, and then all the edges, and yeah, in a couple of hours it'll be good to paint because it's going to take forever to mask all this. Alright, taping's done to an extent. I mean, it's still probably going to get a bit overspray, but whatever, who cares? This is a cheap motor. If I get overspray I can clean it up anyway. Alright, yeah, it's time for some paint. I know this was quick, but I don't know. This was filmed like 2 months ago, and I kind of want to get it off my back so I can work on new projects. So, in the comments for the next videos coming up, let me know what color you want me to paint the rocker cover. Green, of course, shows that you have the LPG, the green top, the Paul version. So, put in the comments, what do you think would be the best color to paint it? And of course, in that video, when I do decide to paint it, I'll shout you out, whoever picks that color. Other than that, let me know how your day was. How was your 2 months? It's been a while. I'll see you later.
Right?
It's Saturday.
Oh, it's banana pudding tonight.